Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial we will learn how to clear out the form fields, or we can reset the form field to the initial values. Also we will see how we can clear out the form on submit. So let's get started. I have an empty ReactJS project that is using and design, and right now it's showing nothing. So let's go ahead and import the form component from and design and start using it. So it will be form, and inside that we can add the form items. I have a separate video on how to use the form and do its field validation. I will add its link in the I button as well as description below so that you can take a look. So in the form item we can add an input, and maybe we can say a placeholder of enter name, and we can label it name as well, and maybe we can say my name, right? And this was the input. Let's do some other controls like the select and the checkbox. So here we can do a select again from the end design, and we can say maybe select gender, and we can give it the options of, you can say a label of male and with the value of male as well. And let's copy it and add another option. We can say female and female. Okay, and here instead of the input we can do a checkbox, right? And here we can say maybe graduated, and in the name we can say graduated, right? Let's save it. Here you go, it has rendered the name. Then it's again the name, we can say it gender, and also we can say it gender. Okay, and here we can add anything, and here we can select the from male or female, and in this case we can just select it, right? So let's add a submit button here. We can say button and call it submit, and we can say of HTML type of submit as well, and its type is primary. Okay, right? So when user will click on this button, the onFinish function will be called, and let's quickly add that as well. onFinish, okay, is equal to a function const, right? And here we will be getting all of the values that user has entered. So if we want that once user has submitted the values, we want to clear the form, we can do using our form functions. So for that we first need to the reference of this form. So let's create that reference. We can say const form is equal to Form.useForm, and here in the form we can say form is equal to the form reference, right? And once it is submitted we can say form dot reset fields, and it will reset it, right? So now if I enter something and select here, checkbox this one on submit, it clears, right? And suppose if we want that do not clear it right away, we want to make an API call maybe here, right? Make API call and then submit. So let's mimic that behavior. We can say set timeout, and maybe after 500 milliseconds then we reset it, right? Save it, and now if I choose the values and submit, after 500 milliseconds it will reset. So while it is doing the API call, we can show a loading as well. So let's quickly do that as well using the use state. We can say loading and set loading, by default it's false, and import it from the React. And let's add a spin here again from the end design, copy and put it here. And here we can say spinning is equal to the loading. While we are making the API call, we can set the loading to true, and once it's done we can set the loading to false. So while it will be making the API call, it will be showing the spinner, and otherwise it won't be. Okay, now if I select any of these values and submit, it shows loading, and after 500 milliseconds it just clears the forms, right? So this is the way we can clear or reset the form on submit. And suppose if you want to show a reset field button here, we can do that as well. So let's quickly add a button. We can say reset, and here in the HTML type it will be reset, right? And we can give it a type of maybe ghost, and let's add them inside our space. So there is a little padding between those, and okay, add the space, and we can say their direction is horizontal, and the gap size between these is maybe 12. Okay, and now if I do anything and click reset, it will reset all of these values, right? And there are some cases that you have the initial values set on the form. So if we reset the form, it will reset to those initial values, right? So let's quickly add the initial values here, and that we can say my name is, maybe we can set Amir, and if I refresh, here you go, it has added the default name. So if I change it to 123 and select here and reset, it will reset to the initial value, right? So the reset will do something like this. So suppose if I change this one and do this, and on submit, it will reset to the default values. So if we want to clear out all of these fields, we can do that as well. So maybe we can add a clear button here, and copy this one and add a clear button, and here we can say clear fields, and its HTML type is not reset, and we can say it danger, right? Here you go, clear fields, and on the click of that button we can say is clear form. Let's copy this one and create this function. Okay, here we can say const clear form is equal to a function. Here we can say form dot, if we can reset, that will do the same as we are doing on finish. So here we will be doing like set fields values. So we will be resetting all of the field values to whatever we want here. So here we will say my name is empty, and then gender is also empty, and then graduated is also empty, right? Save it, and now if I click on that, it will clear all of these values, right? So if I select anything here and clear, it will reset. Why it is not resetting this one? Because if I go to the console, I will show you the error. It says that the value is not valid prop to mean checked. So on the checkbox, it does not have the value prop, so it has a checked. So here in the form.item, we can say that what is the value prop. So we can say value prop name is checked. So whenever we are setting the value, we are telling the form that set checked is equal to the whatever we are setting as a value, right? So now if I save it, and if I choose any of these values and then clear, it will clear it now, and there is no error, right? And similarly, if on finish we want to clear the form, we can just call this function here instead of the resetting, right? So using this function set field value, you can set any value to your fields. So suppose you have a button here, we can say pre-fill the form or something like that. So on click of that, you can set the values according to your use case, right? So this is how we can reset the form fields on submitting the form, or we can reset it on clicking the button, or we can clear the fields programmatically. But still, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have learned something in this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.